Okay, I'm still in bed. The web service started on the computer. Then we continue to talk about our today. The app on this phone, repeat. The first ebook we talked about earlier, the library of this ebook in the second lecture. These two are combined. And number 3, I talked about this local music library and our navigator's music library. But it doesn't show up here. He needs to bind to him. We use this client-side software to connect. Then we talked about it in the last issue. Go and see this locally. This is the local video library. We can watch our animated movies. And you can look at it from the outside. So books, music, after anime and movies. The remaining one is a local source of entertainment. It's a game. Now, of course, we're not using this game. I don't need a Nintendo, or another emulator, or the PSP emulator. Use another generic emulator. It supports external. We can change the exterior to an app. Here we start that service in C. Enter the address. Then let's visit this address. After visiting this address, he needs you to pick a game room. The game room. I'm on the computer now. I have one prepared on my phone. You can find your own resources. Then we choose. It pops a fill. We choose our fill. After filling, then we found our phone. Because he's usually in the download. In the download, we sort him. Find the file I just downloaded. Sort by time. Then the latest one is this room in the dinosaur world. It is this point GIF of this compression format choice. After select, it will prompt here. It belongs to this type of arcade. Then we click on this to load the game. Then download this game core here. Then it came out like this. And this is the video game. This is a coin. This is the beginning. This is the direction. This is this button. Then we put the coin first. After the coin is placed, the coin will be added here. Then we go ahead and start. After we start, we can enter this for selection. Okay, let's pick one. Good choice. And then we speed it up. And then this is the punch. This is a jump. Then we can go, then punch, punch. Punch, punch, punch pair. And this is it. This will start playing the game normally. He doesn't even need you to have a handle. He has already adapted it for you. Then we pause. Click. Click this. Look, there's a switch somewhere. Hold on. Attention, there's a 3-arrow bar in the upper right-hand corner. We click here. A bunch of options will pop up. Then you can pause here, can continue, can be suspended. Then you can start over. Click to start again. Then it doesn't work here. Then we can save his progress. You can come in directly from here next time. Then we can load our last progress. So let's say we start again. Because I have paused here. Then we refresh it. Then choose this game. Reorder it. Load. At this moment, he is a newcomer. But we can just click on this. Load the file we just had in the upper right corner. Then let him reach the progress we just made. But I don't know where this progress is saved. Re-enter. Okay, let's move on to something else. It can adjust this here. Volume and some other menus. Some settings. You can study this slowly later. So all in all, this is pretty good stuff. We can run it in the browser. Then you can just package it as our own app, wrap the HTML, and then the game is put locally. Which one do you want to play? It also has some derivatives of this product. Turn it off here. The game I just introduced, it's this project. Then let's take a look at its GitHub. It has 2.7 stars, and there it is. Some games it can play like this one. Here are some platforms. It is only used as a plugin, support so much than an external form. And then officially, it also has an example. It looks like this after running. That's what we just looked like. Then we load the file we just had. Click to load. The core is loading here. We don't need to use our own. First release it here. Download the latest version of it. Download this compressed package. After decompression, it looks like this. Then we turn it on the HTTP service. And then we go back to our website. You can see it here. I will enter the IP 6599 just now. It's the same as on my phone because it supports various platforms. Then we open the game. Click to load. Wait for a while. Here is the success. And he can set up his keyboard here. We won't set it up here. Then it can be like a mobile phone. Connect the handle or play with the keyboard. Just configure it yourself. Certainly, this project is just an external plugin. It also has third-party projects. Use it to do better. We go to third-party websites. It's also an open source project. It could be a game library. Okay, there is an Android terminal. There is this Mac OS Windows side. Then you can play games in the game library. Let's take a look at its demo. This is the official demo. Then we choose any one. Click on it to select this place. Then start loading. And let's play with that. You can see that the interface is the same as just now. Then this website first. It can create your own gallery. You can cancel this related data. And it seems to support online. Specifically, multiple deployments can be made externally. Research later.